Thank you so much for joining in for another video from RLTR Group, guys. So just before we proceed, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for a new video notification every time we post something. And also, I would want you to watch this video till the end so that you get a bit of an idea as to what a roller coaster ride that we had today. And also click on the link in the description to know more about the RLTR group and join our free Telegram channel to get more information about our progress on a day-to-day basis. So today we are going to talk about how we made 65,600 with just two trades, where our first trade went to minus 59,000. Now, if you would see, we just took a trade in the morning, somewhere around 1,000 quantity at 258, and we booked a loss at 194, which is exactly over here. So the way how this worked was that the entire index took a dip and there was a sudden reversal right at the bottom, which actually happened thanks to HDFC Bank over here, which actually started giving up hope that our index will be traveling upwards today. So what we did was we understood that this was the point that we have to book a loss. So it went here and it hit our trailing stop loss right at this point, and then we took another position. Now, when we took another position, it just did not go ahead and go straight away up, but it scrolled down and tested our patience. If you would see this particular trend line, there was a testing of this particular trend line which actually happened over here at 11:15. And just to let you know, guys, we were still in the game. Our option over here was which we had bought at 232 at this particular zone, came down to 203 and then went up, came down, went up, came down, went up again. And this breakout actually occurred at 230. I was here assisting all of them to be holding this position, and we had fun trading today. And if anybody would have made a loss today, I just would want to tell you one thing, that we here at RLTR Group are a family. So I'm here going to be with you throughout the entire session and going to ensure that you get the similar profits. Today, my participants made 50,000, 56,000, and a lot more, and they were astonished about how can somebody recover a loss which is so deep and make a position that is going to give us the double and exactly 1:2 ratio to what we had lost at the beginning. So guys, I want you to be a part of this exciting journey as well. And once again, let me remind you to join our Telegram channel for quick notification about what we are doing, about the free strikes, and the analysis on an intraday, so that even you can go ahead and understand how our accuracy is, and join us pretty soon. So I would request you to join us on www.rltrgroup.com, or come to the Telegram group to watch us how we grow, and then join later. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. Have a beautiful time. Jai Hind. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow with another video. Have a wonderful time, guys.